Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I talked about Brainbux. Now this is a site that pays you to click on ads. Now the idea is very simple. An advertiser will come along and put various products and services on here in the form of clickable adverts, and you as a member will earn money if you click on them. Now you get a minimum of 10 cents per click if you click on the actual advertisements, and then if you refer somebody else, which is another way to make money on here, you'll get 1 cent per referrals click. So we'll go inside and we'll have a look exactly what you're going to do here, and then we'll talk a little bit about the overall concept, and I'll show you some reviews that I've seen online that quite frankly give me a few red flags about this website. So guys, if you're new to this channel, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you're interested in these types of reviews, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're looking for a way to build a real business online, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads. I got a completely free affiliate bootcamp there that'll show you how you can get started online with affiliate marketing. So guys, let's go ahead and have a look inside here. There's lots of members apparently on this site, so we're going to jump in, and the way that you're going to do this is just by hitting the earning money tab, and then you're supposed to be able to just watch these various ads. So if I just click on any one of these at random, I have been having a few issues with this. What happens is this advert comes up, and then on the top here a bar starts coming along here. Now this is supposed to time the amount of time you're on the advert. Now the idea is you're supposed to go scrolling through this advert. From an advertiser's perspective, they're showing you something that you might be interested in, but to Brainbux, they're supposed to now credit me for this actual advert for watching it. Now you see when this gets to the top here, what's been happening to me every single time. So I'm going to let it go. And then basically it's been telling me it's an invalid advertisement every single time I've clicked an advert so far. So the idea is, guys, that you're going to come along here and you're going to click on all these various types of adverts and then get paid. That's the idea here. But you see that it does take a while, because if I click on this one here and you'll see this bar is running a lot slower. So you're talking about half a minute to a minute per advert, right? So it's not a quick thing to do. But basically that's what you're going to be doing for these clicks here. You can get paid to promote this to others. So there's a link here and you can share that with others. And if they join, based on what level of membership you are, which I will go into, you'll get paid a certain amount. So if they come along and they have 1,000 visits on here, apparently you get paid $1. Premium version 110, elite 120, and the ultimate 150. All the countries are accepted. And basically you get paid for referring other people. There's extra ads on here that you can get paid for, so let's go ahead and try one of these, as the others didn't seem to work. See, that looks not very clever to me. Let me have a look at this one. Again, not very clever to me. This is a very spammy website. I'm going to be quite honest with you guys as I'm going through this. None of the lot of these look very legitimate. That's just redirected me again through Google to this, and that's non-existing. So a lot of these don't even exist. The other thing you can have is various levels of membership. So if I wanted to upgrade my account, I come along here and I pay them to upgrade the account. So you can get a 1 month price of $9, $14 and $24, depending on you want premium, elite and ultimate, and you get various levels of paying per click on your ads. Now guys, I'm not really thinking that this is a great website, because I'm seeing lots and lots of little flags here, lots of things that are not really working, and quite honestly I've been testing this for a while now and I haven't actually made this work once. Let me just do this one just to be sure, and I've come back and you'll see it again says invalid advertisement. So I don't even think this is working. I think this is a very glitchy website. There is people obviously advertising it, because you can see these banners that people are actually paying for and all these various ads. But I think all they're doing really is making money on this website by getting people to upgrade to the various membership levels and then getting people to come along and pay for advertising on here. It is very cheap to advertise on here, but I don't think they're getting much benefit by doing that. If I just look at some of the reviews on this site, if I go to Brainbux on Trustpilot, you see this very bad. 98% negative reviews. Basically everybody's saying that it's a scam and nobody's being paid. If I come over to Foxy Rating, which is another site I like to see, 30 opinions on here, 1.5 out of 5. And again, lots of people are saying it's a scam. The one big thing that they talk about is how you can get paid out. And it actually says on the sales page, no minimum cash out required. But when I come back here, someone actually points out that you need 100 clicks, means you need to click for a week, is one of the first criteria. The second one is 10 active direct referrals. So you have to refer 10 people before you can again get your first payment. So there is criteria to get your first payment. It's very, very hard to get money out of this, which is why I think a lot of people are getting very frustrated with it. Another one is Scam Advisor. Scam Advisor is a great site. This gives a trust score of 1 out of 100. Again, telling me that it's not very good. Lots of negative reviews on the site. Websites hiding their identity. And there's some link shortening tech on here, which I could see when I was clicking on the website and it redirects me. That's link shortening technology happening there. So guys, I would definitely keep away from Brainbux. I think that on the face of it, it looks okay, but when you actually start delving into this, you're not going to get paid very much at all, even if they do pay you out and it does work. But quite frankly, so far I've not hit an advert yet that's actually paying me any money, and I've been doing this for around about a day to actually test it properly, but it's still not working for me. So guys, keep away from Brainbux. I hope this is valuable to you. If you're serious and you're trying to figure out a way to make money online, go ahead and check out that workshop. You'll see the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads. It's a completely free affiliate bootcamp. It's going to teach you all you need to know about affiliate marketing. My name is Richard Darby. Until next time, take care.